Hi everyone, I'm Pukhraj and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Golden Platter. Sometimes we all crave for cake, but it takes a lot of time and effort to bake a cake. But what if I tell you, you can make a cake very quickly and that would be a super delicious and awesome recipe. Yes, you heard it right. Today I'll be teaching you very simple cake recipes that can be made in a microwave and that too within minutes. The recipes are vanilla mug cake and yummy Nutella mug cake. But before starting with the recipe, make sure you've subscribed to the channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the notifications. So let's get started with vanilla mug cake. So we take a microwaveable mug and into it we'll add 4 tablespoons of plain flour or Maida. Next, we'll add 3 tablespoons of castor sugar. Next ingredient is a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Then we'll add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then goes 3 tablespoons of any flavorless oil or melted butter. Then we add 3 tablespoons of milk. And I have this colorful sprinkles with me. And if you don't want to use them, you can totally avoid them. But kids love them, so we'll add 1 teaspoon of these colorful sprinklers. And now we just have to mix all these ingredients nicely. Make sure everything is mixed properly. And now we'll microwave it for a minute or two. Everyone's microwave is different, so you can check after 1 minute and then we'll give rest of the time. So I made it for 1 minute, but still it's uncooked. So we'll give 30 seconds more. So our vanilla mug cake is cooked. I microwaved it for 2 minutes and it's cooked properly. Now we'll decorate it with more sprinkles. You can choose any sprinkles of your choice, and kids also love this amazing recipe. And our vanilla mug cake is ready. Now we'll move on to our Nutella mug cake. For the Nutella mug cake, we require a microwavable mug, and into it we'll add a 1/4 cup of Nutella. Then we'll add a 1/4 cup of plain flour or Maida. Next goes in 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And finally 3 tablespoons of milk. Now we'll mix it properly. And now we'll microwave it for 1.5 to 2 minutes. Firstly, we'll check after 1.5 minutes. So our Nutella mug cake is ready. I microwaved it for 2 minutes and now we'll serve it with vanilla ice cream or whipped cream. I like to garnish mine with whipped cream. And some more Nutella. So our very yummy Nutella mug cake is ready to eat. So our very simple, tasty and super amazing vanilla mug cake and Nutella mug cake are ready to eat. Kids can also make this recipe with the supervision of adults and they will love this recipe for sure. Please try this at home and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.